When you invest in a Holm and Laue system through Bell Booth, you're not just buying equipment. You're gaining a support team that knows there's no room for downtime and calf rearing. Our Holm and Laue support team is based right here in Manawatu. They know the pressure points of the season, the urgency of a breakdown, and the importance of getting calves fed. From the very beginning, Bell Booth's support team are hands-on. We work alongside farmers to design shed layouts, prepare machines, install systems, and train staff so everyone is confident using the equipment from day one. But the real support comes after installation. When issues arise, whether it's early in the morning, late at night, or during peak calving, our team is on hand. Through remote access, we can log into machines, diagnose problems in real time, and guide farmers through solutions quickly. And when hands-on support is needed, we're there too. From servicing and maintenance to upgrades and repairs, our technicians know these machines inside out. Holm and Laue equipment is engineered in Germany to the highest standards. At Bell Booth, we match that engineering with local expertise, practical knowledge, and genuine backup. Because hungry calves and tight timelines demand support you can rely on.